Revolut crypto trading is a feature that allows users to buy, sell, and hold various cryptocurrencies directly within the Revolut app. To get started, you need to have a Revolut account and be in a region where crypto trading is supported. First, open the Revolut app and navigate to the dashboard. Tap on the More button and select cryptocurrencies from the list of options. If you are new to crypto trading, you will need to accept the terms and conditions and complete a quick tutorial. Once you have access to the crypto section, you can browse through the list of available cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. You can view the current market price, 24-hour price change, and the total value of your crypto holdings. To buy cryptocurrency, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase and tap the Buy button. Enter the amount you want to spend and confirm the transaction. The cryptocurrency will be added to your Revolut crypto wallet. To sell cryptocurrency, select the cryptocurrency you want to sell and tap the Sell button. Enter the amount you want to sell and confirm the transaction. The proceeds will be added to your Revolut account. When trading cryptocurrency, it is essential to understand the risks involved. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate rapidly, and you may lose some or all of your investment. It is crucial to set a budget. Start with small amounts, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Additionally, keep in mind that Revolut charges a small fee for crypto transactions, which varies depending on your account type and the cryptocurrency you are trading. You can view the fees in the app before confirming a transaction. To stay up to date with market trends and price changes, you can set price alerts and track your crypto portfolio in real time. Revolut also provides a news feed and market analysis to help you make informed decisions. In conclusion, Revolut crypto trading provides a convenient and user-friendly way to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies. By following these steps and being aware of the risks involved, you can start trading cryptocurrencies with confidence. Remember to always prioritize risk management and never invest more than you can afford to lose.